Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever find yourself dreaming of a quick Clash Royale match during a break, but your school Chromebook is totally locked down? It's a common challenge, as school networks and devices often have strict restrictions. But don't worry, we're going to dive into some updated methods for 2025 that might help you get your game on. We'll discuss what's likely to work and what's best avoided. So, why exactly is playing games like Clash Royale so tricky on a school device? It's usually about two main things: network security and keeping students focused on learning. Schools use advanced filters to block unapproved websites and prevent software installations. This means direct app downloads or traditional workarounds often won't fly. Knowing these limitations helps us think outside the box for potential solutions. One of the most promising avenues for playing games like Clash Royale on a lockdown Chromebook is through remote access. Imagine streaming your home computer directly to your Chromebook's browser. Tools like Chrome Remote Desktop or Parsec let you do just that. You'd have Clash Royale installed and running on your personal PC, and then simply control it from the Chromebook. This bypasses many school restrictions since you're just using a browser. Another area to explore is web-based gaming, though it's less common for mobile games like Clash Royale directly. While an official browser version might be unlikely, some evolving cloud services could eventually stream Android apps to your browser. It's important to remember that this is a constant cat-and-mouse game. School IT departments are always updating their blocking methods. What works today might be patched tomorrow, so staying informed is key. Before you try any of these methods, please remember, your education comes first. Always be mindful of your school's technology use policy. Getting caught trying to bypass security measures could lead to serious disciplinary actions, like losing your Chromebook privileges. If you do play, make sure it's during designated free time and be discreet to avoid any unnecessary trouble. It's always best to be responsible and smart about your choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.